Alrighty, boys and girls. So just to let you know a little bit of behind the scenes, I actually debated doing this all in one day or break it into two. Decided to break it into two, go a little bit slower. So we're not going to have a whole lot today. Let me rewrite this. All right, so we talked about how we can solve with elimination yesterday, how you get one variable by itself, substitute into the other equation, and then you find one answer, plug it back in to find the other answer. So that's one method to do this. We talked about graphing last week. We talked about this yesterday. Now we got this other method. Take a look at these two equations, okay? You see with 3x plus 2, 3x minus 2, I don't know. Hopefully it jumps out at you. You'll notice there's some similarities here. So one of the things that we're allowed to do besides the substitution is called elimination. We're allowed to eliminate a variable. So you notice here I've got a plus 2y and a minus 2y, okay? So without getting into too many of the details, you're allowed to just add two equations together. Just add the two equations together. So we're gonna add them vertically. So this is how you do these problems. Notice we have the opposite coefficients here. So I have 3x plus 3x is 6x, plus 2y minus 2y is, that's right, 0y. There are no more y's. Don't write it down. It's 0. It's gone. Poof. 4 minus 4 is 0. I do need a 0 there. I don't need the 0 for the eliminated variables. That's gone. But I do need a number on the other side of the equation. Okay? Solve. Well, this is easy. Divide by 6, divide by 6. X is 0. I found my x, yay! Now I get to take this and plug it back in to an equation. I could put it in either place, it does not matter. I'm going to choose the top one. Plug 0 plus solve the equation. 3 times 0 is 0, 2y is 4, y is 2. So now x is 0, y is 2, 0, comma 2 is the answer to the problem. When you have these opposite coefficients, this is the method you want to use. Okay? We add vertically, combine like terms, one of the variables will go away, get your answer. Divide to solve, plug it back in. Doesn't matter which equation you plug it into, plug it back in, work it out, get your variable. We'll do it again. Let's do number 1 here. So, sometimes there's a glare, I'll rewrite it for you. 3x add vertical. 3x minus 3x. No x's this time. That's okay. It doesn't matter. One of them is going to be eliminated. I didn't say which one. So I got 6y, I got 12. Divide. Y is 2. I know the y. Plug it back in. It doesn't matter which equation you plug it back into. I'm going to do the first one just because it's first. Plug it in. Go to town. Solve the equation. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract. Divide. X is 1. Just like we talked about yesterday. I think it was yesterday. Kind of got my days jumbled up here. It's always x comma y. It doesn't matter which one you solve first. So 1, 2 is the coordinate, is the place where these two lines will cross, is the solution to the system of equations. Okay? Now, I told you in the beginning of this video, this was a one-day thing. I'm going to stretch it out into 2. You'll notice here, these are not set up. They don't have opposites. These don't have opposites. We're going to tackle that tomorrow. Okay? Right now, we're going to keep it simple, tackle these problems. We'll talk about the next part of this in tomorrow's video. All right, good luck. Ask questions if you got them.